you all know that I am not a frequent video uploader on YouTube, so I don't use professional equipments. But I have tried to fix the noise problem by just updating some firmware, and let's check what happens. So guys, this is the scanner, and we are about to open in just 2 minutes. Now we will quickly open the alert section. The stocks which came in the scanner on Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, we will check how those stocks would perform. And like I told you before, that I'm keeping an eye on uh, Adani ports. AB Capital performed really well, Vedanta performed really well, Dalmia Bharat performed. Sale is pending, Bajaj Finserv is spending approximately 10 or 12 rupees, it gave approximately 20 rupees. Exide gave 2 or 3 rupees. Amar Raja battery is pending. So we will check what all stocks will perform, and you can pause the screen, you can take a screenshot, go to the charts and check. Right. So this is from the beginning. These are the stocks. Ramco Cement is yet to perform. It may perform today. Okay, so these are the stocks, and these are the stocks for sell side. These are the stocks for sell side. So let's check how the performance is going to be, and I'm going to mute the video. The screen would be on. As usual, you have to watch the screen. There would be fresh trades. We will keep on checking. Let's open the chart, trading view chart. So guys, the market is open, and I'm going to mute it. Let's check the performance now. Alright, so two stocks popping in. One is Bank of Baroda. It is 7% up. However, this comes in the sell side scanner, because it is falling from the top. Look at this. It opened at 159. It made a high of 159, and it is coming down now. Britannia is 5% up. 4019 rupees is the price. It made a high of 4093. It is just 2 minutes, and we are not jumping into the trade because this is just a morning session. Wait for the stock to react. Wait for the stock to react. Wait for the prices to settle down. Hold on to the horses. friends, two more stocks popping in. One is Birla Soft. The price is 272. Canara Bank 309, and Britannia is now 4123. Right, it made a high of somewhere 4180 when it came in the scanner. Then now it is 4118. So it is a good jump which we have captured. However, like I told, this is the morning session. We are not jumping into the trade, and it looks like that it is going to break this consolidation zone. So this is daily chart, and this seems to be breaking, but according to me it may not break. Why? Because after a long time it is coming to the same level, 4150, 4160 levels. So there would be sellers which will initiate the selling. Why? Because it has been a long time the stock has not touched this trajectory, and once the profit booking would definitely seems to be on the cards. And why I am saying this? Because when it when the stock comes under a range for a very long time, so everyone is trapped here. Okay, so the person who has bought the stock here, they are already trapped, right? They are not able to book profit or not able to come out from the stock in losses, right? So they might be keeping their quantities on hold. They must be waiting for this stock to come to this level so that they can exit their quantities. So that is what seems to be happening, but let's see what happens. After all, this is a market. So this is what the prediction is, and right now Canara Bank is 311. Let's check, did the Canara Bank come in the scanner before? Britannia seems to be definitely new, because if you will go to the previous chart, previous videos, you will not find Britannia in there. Britannia. Okay, so today is the 7th of November, only one time Britannia. Let's check Canara Bank. Canara Bank, okay, Canara Bank came two times. One is 3rd of November, okay, and today is 7th of November. Let's check the price of Canara Bank. When did Canara Bank come first time? What was the first trade? Canara Bank came at 144 on 3rd of November. 3rd of November. Where is 3rd of November? This is 3rd of November at 144. So let's check. It might have come at 296, 97 levels maybe. Let's check. 3rd of November. Where is 3rd of November? This was the level around 297.80, 298, 299, and right now the price is 310 rupees. What else you want? What else you want? Anyways, let's keep a track. Now another stock jumping in, which is CUB, City Union Bank, and Birla Soft is now 273.30. It made a high of, okay, my god, Britannia 41.41. So that seems to be going towards the circuit. But let's check. What is the CUB is now 198.40. It made a high of 199.25. Extreme strength. Britannia, Canara Bank. friends, I hope you are watching the live price movement when the stock comes in the scanner. Birlasoft is now 277 rupees. It has made a high of 277 rupees. Less stocks, real performance. So do you remember me telling you just 5 or 10 minutes ago that when the stock gains strength from the bottom, the stock definitely hits the upper levels because all sellers are trapped. So that is the mentality basically which you need to understand, how the stock can perform and when the stock can perform. So anyways, look at this, it is now 277.75. it has made a high and it is still moving up, and hopefully now it should trap all the sellers and it should move towards 285 to 90 levels. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe in 5 days, maybe in 10 days, maybe in 15 days, but that's what I'm hoping, that it should move up. Okay, so this is the live performance, and that's how the scanner works, that's how the trading is done, that is how the structure is captured. However, about my trades, as of now I am sitting in these trades for your information. These are my trades. As of now, 60,000 profit in Tata Steel. It is actually 80,000 because I have just sold 20,000 quantity. Look at this, 7th of November, 21,000 quantity at 165. What is my buying price? What is my buying price? My buying price is 1 rupee. I bought 1 lakh quantity, right? So my investment was 1 lakh and it is going to be double, just double. MGL, I'm sitting in a trade, 4,000 rupees profit. Oro Pharma, the scanner alerted us to buy, right? When did scanner alert? So it is not that I am only showing the scanner and trades. I am also doing my own trades. Look at this, Oro Pharma. We are sitting in a trade. Oro Pharma is not performing. Oro Pharma came on 2nd of November and it has to perform come what may. That is why I am sitting in the trade. That is why I am not exiting the trade. Oro Pharma came at what levels on this day, on 2nd of November. Okay, let's check again. Oro Pharma on 2nd of November. This is 2nd of November. Oro Pharma came at approximately 556-57 levels, right? And right now it is trading at 551 level. Let's check the exact price. 10:11 on 2nd of November. Let's go to 5 minutes chart. On 2nd of November, 10:11, approximately at the top. Okay, it came at 568, 69 levels, and it is still the it is still down. So it came on 2nd of November. It is down on 3rd. It is down on 4th. It is down on 7th. Okay, but it is not breaking this level. I will exit out the trade, or I may average the trade if it starts to trade around 540, 535 levels, and if it will try to make this type of chart. So let's say if it falls until here, right, and if it starts to gradually move up, then I will add more quantities because I know that it has to move up. That is what my conviction, that is what my trading strategy is. I will definitely add the stock more. Let me show you what my quantity is. As of now, this is 5,000 quantity. I will add 10 or 15,000 more quantity if I get this this call option at 1 rupee 50 paisa or 2 rupees, right? Then I'll add more. I may add 25,000 quantity. So, but it looks like that it will halt here and it will gradually move up. That's what my prediction is, and still we have the entire month to talk about. That's what we will definitely talk about, because I know when the scanner gives the alert, stock has to move come what may, and right now the price is 190. This is 68,000 profit. Anyways, So friends, let me exit the trade in front of you all. Okay, right now it is 190, and otherwise you, some people, I mean, I don't understand, even after showing the live results, people still think that this is a this is a screenshot. Anyways, look at this. So I am going to refresh this, and I am going to sell approximately 25,500 quantity at 1 rupee 85 paisa. So I'm booking partial profit, and let's check if the trading is done. Okay, yes. So 25,500 quantity sold at 185, 21,000 sold at 1.65, and I still have 55,000 quantity. If it moves up, I'll sell the rest of the quantity. If it comes down, I'll buy it again, right? Because I know the stock this level. What was the price? 83.90, 84 rupees approximately. And look at sale. Right now it has made a high of 86.60. Okay, and it is still intact and strong. Sorry, let's go to daily chart. Look at this. So this is how the scanner helps us to identify the stocks which can move up, right? Many of stocks which we have talked about and many more to talk about. Let's check how it behaves, the rest of the stocks which have not moved up, and I'm sure that very few stocks are left which have not moved up. Anyways, keep watching the screen. So right now the time is 10:28 and one more stock is jumping up, which is Ramco Cement. Ramco Cement scanner alerted this stock only one time. It was on 31st of October 121. Let's check the Ramco price. Ramco Cement 31st of October. This is 31st of October. At what time? Ramco Cement 121. 31st of October at 121. Where is 121? This is 121 at the top. And the price was 723. Okay, it consolidated, it did not fall. It fell down to 7-8 rupees, approximately 10 rupees up, because the price was 723. So it fell down until 708 levels, which was approximately 12-13 rupees. Okay, and right now the price is 738. Look at this. This was the place where the stock was identified, and of course, if you would have taken the stock, you could have exited at 736 level. Just within 2 days, on 2nd of November, it made a high of 736, but right now the price is 739, which means we have to be focused about the moves of the stocks. Okay, when the stock is taking a break, when the stock is trying to reverse from the bottom, what is the level where the stock can reverse from? Look at this. Why the stock reacted at this level sharply? It went up sharply because if you will just compress the chart, if you will squeeze the chart, you can clearly see this was the resistance zone for the stock, and now this level has become the support for the stock. Anyways, let's keep moving towards the rest of the stocks one by one. So if you think that the stock should perform immediately, you should get a profit immediately, you should become millionaire immediately, not possible. You have to be patient. So friends, right now the time is 10:43 and date is 7th of November. And why I keep repeating the date and time, because you should be well aware at what time we are checking the trades and what is the current time. So I mean, yes. So we are going to talk about another stock, which is Amar Raja Battery, which came on 4th of November at 9:70 in the morning itself. So let's check Amar Raja's price. Amar Raja Battery came on 4th of November, which was Friday. It was Friday's session. 4th of November. This was it already opened gap up. If you will check my Friday's video, you will listen to me talking about this candle being created on 5 minute in the morning itself, and I told that immediately we would not be jumping into the trade, though the trade went up to 578 rupees. It came at 572, 573, and it went up to 562, and then it sharply moved up at 5 to 578. And check the price right now, 591.90. This is Amar Raja Battery. Amar Raja Battery, once again, let's have a look. So guys, tell me, what exactly do you want if you do not want these type of trades? What else do you want? Amar Raja Battery, 4th of November. Look at this, it is sharply reacting. Let's check Exide. Did it move up? Exide gave us approximately 2-3 rupees in the same day. It okay. Exide was filtered by the scanner at 9:22 on 4th of November. 9:22 on 4th of November. 9:22 at this level. 172.91 cent. Let's consider at 173 rupees. Right. The same day it moved up to 177, and right now it is currently 177, and it is trying to move up. All right. So the way I look at the chart, by pulling up all the stocks one by one, so you have to do this hard work. Without doing this, if you think that some magic should happen and you should be millionaire overnight, forget it. If you have a trick, let me know. Anyways, keep watching the screen. 10:59. Date is 7th of November, and it blasted. So, friends, I am going mute. Meanwhile, during the complete screen recording, I cannot keep talking, keep talking, keep talking. Right? So this is not possible. So, but yes, whenever there is an update, whenever there is a new stock, or maybe if something which is really important to talk about, then I definitely unmute the recording and then I talk to you guys. So yes, right now look at this. It is 598 rupees. It is going to cross 600 levels, and 2 days constant sharp up move. So within 2 days, this stock has covered the entire level. So now this zone should be a halt zone, and the stock should spend good days within this range. So this seems to be a halt range. But anyways, we have a lot more stocks to talk about. We have a lot more stocks to trade. This is not the only stock which is left, and let's see. Bank of Baroda is has already made a low of 152. It is useless to trade because of the, so this seems to be a clear reaction of stock. The stock is already 7% up, but this is in selling side, which means there is a selling pressure from the top. Okay, what was the top? The top was 159. It opened at 159, made a high of 161, came down to 152, trading at 155, already 7% up, but it is actually 2% down. If we look at the stock, it is actually 2% down, 2.23%. So this is how I look at the aspects, and these are the values which keep on telling me about the inside story of the stock. That is why these many values are there: 2 short, 2, 6 short, 6 short, L, 6. This is the resistance, this is another value, this is another value. Okay, so I'm going mute once again. So friends, as of now time is 11:08 and date is 7th of November 2022. It's been 2 hours approximately. The recording is on and nothing seems to be happening. The market is on hold, and what I'll do is I'll pause the video as of now. Unnecessarily, there is no point of stretching the video, so I'll pause it, and if there is a new stock or if there is a movement in any of the previous stock, the way I inform every now and then, I'll definitely resume the video, and I will let you know guys that which stock is moving up or moving down accordingly. However, as I predicted, Oro Pharma has moved up and trying to let's pull up the chart first, and trying to inch up at the same level we talked about a couple of minutes ago, that this should move up, and this area seems to be a halt area for the stock, and I drew that line, right? So it looks like that it is making a pin bar. Look at this, right? From this level it has started to jump up, and if this stock sustains above 560 570 levels, then very soon it should go to 590 levels approximately, right? That is what I'm hoping to. And the call option which I talked about, let me show you the call option. Earlier it was 3 rupees. When I was saying that I'll be catching this, adding the more quantity if I get it at 1 rupees 50 paisa or 2 rupees, but it did not give me a chance. Right now the call option is 4 rupees and 20 paisa, right? Let's see, if it moves up it is okay, right? It is okay if it moves up and I'll get the profit, I'll book the profit. If it does not, then it will definitely come back eventually, and I'll add more quantities, and I'll wait. We still have the entire month, and Mahanagar gas should also move up. Right now Tata Steel, I have booked 70,000 quantity, and I am still in profit of 30,000 with a quantity of 34,000, because the price is very low. It is 1 rupees 5 paisa. Right now it is 1 rupees 95 paisa. I have already booked a profit of 70,000, okay, because I have sold 70,000 quantity. I bought 1 lakh quantity, I sold 70,000 quantity at 2 rupees, 1 rupee 65 paisa, 1 rupee 85 paisa. Look at the trades. However, I thought that I should not be showing the trade, but still you can check it. 1 rupee 65 paisa, 21,000 quantity, 185, then 210, right? And right now it came down, and if it moves up I'll sell the quantity. If it comes down, then I'll add more quantities. Very simple. So let's pause the video, friends. So friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for staying connected, and right now the time is 12:22. Date is 7th November. Two more stocks jumping in. One is India Cement, came at 12:18, right, just 4 minutes ago, and Jindal Steel 2 minutes ago, 12:20. Okay, these are the two stocks. India Cement and Jindal Steel will be updated. Looks like Jindal Steel, let's check. Okay, so this is the result for Jindal Steel. I guess today is the result, I'm not sure. Okay, on 10th of November this is going to declare the result, and the price is right now 496.65, and chart structure, it looks like that very soon it will cross 300 levels. Very soon it will cross 300 levels. That's what it looks like. This will happen or this will not, that market will decide, the time will decide. But as of now, two more stocks in our kitty, India Cement and Jindal Steel. We will be watching the performance today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, in 5 days, in 10 days, and so on. And as you all know, the previous stocks have been performing, and few more stocks to perform. So the stock which is performing, I'm giving you an update for the same, right? So similarly, I will be updating you all. Stay connected, and let me pause the video once again, because these are the two stocks. When they will move up or come down, I'll definitely update. Alright friends, so right now the time is 12:33. One stock has just arrived in the sell scanner, which is in the morning we could see two stocks, Bank of Baroda, TVS Motors, and one more stock is falling in now, which is Marico. Okay, Marico has just arrived, and these two stocks, let's check where the price is. TVS Motor, I don't think TVS Motor can be for selling, but because structure is, look at the chart. This chart is very strong. I don't think we should be selling this stock. But yes, one more structure which is being created. Okay, if I have to explain this to you, since the structure is strong, however, you can see a little fall and then rise, 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 right? And now this on at the top, this fall is being created. So there might be a possibility this level can be achieved. Approximately this level is 100 rupees down, which is 10%, right? Close to 10%. It may fall until here 1033, it may fall until 990, but I don't see this stock going below 900 levels, 990 levels or 980 levels. But yes, if we have to go short in this stock, we have to keep a tight stop loss of 11 approximately 1130 to 1140 zone. This will be a stop loss, and we can go short in this trade. And then this if there is a fall in the market, then this level can be achieved easily, 1034 ka level, right? And now look at Marico. Let's check Marico. What is the Marico's price? Marico can fall because after a consolidation, this big candle seems to be made by big players, right? So that is what I feel, that this can fall further, because after a long time this level is broken. 507, 508 levels is broken, and right now the price is 501 rupees 40 paisa. It came in the scanner when the price was 502 rupees, so it is just 30 paisa down. But yes, eventually this should fall. That's what I feel. In the days to come, this should fall. If this level is retained, right, then the short covering would be initiated. Okay, so these are the two views, but as of now I feel that this can be a shorting candidate, keeping a stop loss of 520 levels, approximately 520 levels. So let's check how the performance is going to be, and these stocks are still the same. India Cement, no move. Britannia has given an awesome move, amazing move. Birla Soft has given approximately 4 or 5 rupees, and India Cement is still the same. So friends, look at Marico. Marico is now falling further. It is now 499 rupees, and we could see it at 501.40, but it came at 502 rupees approximately. Now it is 400. still the same. I mean, 2 or 3 rupees down even, but not moving up. And let's see if the price is increased in the next few days, or maybe today itself. Hi friends, thank you for watching the video continuously. And right now the time is 2:09. The date is 7th of November 2022, and we have got few more stocks in our kitty. So let's check what all those stocks are. Okay, so we will go by the buy side scanner. Uh, we could see that we've got two more stocks, India Cements, Jindal Steel, at 12:20, and since then these stocks have not turned up once again in the scanner, which means the price is still low. And right now we have got 159. Right now it is 210. At 159 we have got Apollo Tires. At 25 we have got AB Capital. And if you look at the stock, this has shown in the scanner the third time. The first time it came in the scanner at 243 on 3rd of November. At that time the price was 119, and if we talk about the CMP, which is current market price, it is 129. Approximately 10 rupees gain in swing in just 3-4 days. Okay. And what else? Okay, then we have got MRF. It has just turned up 2 minutes ago. Right now it is 210. It came in at 28. Since this is very big stock, 94,000, I don't really talk about these type of stocks. So but still, I mean, if we talk about the performance, yes, we have to count it. So right now the price is 94,999 rupees. I mean, that is the high which the stock has made, and right now it is 94,800. Let's see if it moves up. Apollo Tire is making high. It is now 300 rupees. Right now it turned up when it was 298 rupees. Let's check Apollo Tire 159. Let's check Apollo Tire. What was the price when it came in the scanner? Let's go to 5 minutes chart. This was the time, 298 rupees 0.50 paisa. This was the price of the stock. Now it is 300 rupees. It has made a high of 300 rupees 70 paisa. And if we check its daily chart, so it seems to be breaking its ever high, which is 303 rupees. Hopefully it should break, but as long as it does not break, we are not jumping into the trade. Okay, because if it does not break, then it will make an M pattern plus double top pattern. How? Let me explain this to you. This top, this top, this will complete the M pattern. Okay, this will complete the M pattern. If it starts to trade above 305 levels, 306 levels, then there can be a rally up to 315 to 20 levels. Okay, but it is half done right now. Look at this. This is half done. It will complete M pattern if it does not move up, if it stays above this level, or maybe makes this type of chart, and then it will fall, and then the M pattern would be completed. So this is my prediction. I may be wrong, I may be right. And as the sell side, it is Marico and Davis Lab. Now one more thing I would like to tell you. Okay, well, before that, let's check India Hotel. It has started to move up, but this is a result based stock, so we really would not like to slab came on 1st of November at 10:22. And if I am able to recall that it went up after coming in the scanner. TV slab 10:22, 1st of November. 1st of November at 10:22. Yes, it has already given us the profit consolidation seems to be over and the stock is ready to go up to 1145 50 levels, but will it rise in a single move? That's a question. Why this is a question? Because it has been a long time the stock has not moved up to 1200 rupees, and this area seems to be a little difficult for the stock to cross, because after a long fall and after a long consolidation, the stock is trying to move up. It is really required for the stock to stay above 1110, 15 levels in order to move up, right? Then only the sellers would be absorbed by the buyers. So anyways, we will see this stock, not today, because today we really don't have time to see this stock, and we will see how the move is continued in the near future, maybe in 10 days, maybe in 5 days, that depends. Friends, another stock is filtered, which is Hind Copper at 112 rupees, 1240. Let's check the chart. We are not going to, see what is going to happen today, because market is about to over Hind Copper. Okay, so it has completed the W pattern. Look at this. A W pattern is almost completed. Now the stock should halt between, because it is a fast mover as well. So the stock should halt at this level, because this is a strong consolidation zone. From this level is a strong consolidation zone if we talk about this level. And what this level is, 116, 117. So stock can move up to 117, 118 levels, but above that I don't see this stock is moving. Okay, well, one more thing. Look at this. This stock is it is a result session. Hold on, let me remove the drawing. Okay, so since this is a result session, a result season, guys, so we really cannot predict in a correct way where the stock will head to, right? So everything depends upon the earnings. So earning is on 11th of November, and let's see how the stock reacts. just 10 minutes the stock has made high of 114 levels, and just we were watching the trade and it was 112 rupees 45 paisa. It made a high of 114, and the market is 12 minutes away to close. Canara Bank is no use of looking at Canara Bank because it has already given us approximately 12 13 rupees jump. AB Capital has given us 10 rupees jump approximately. MRF has fallen from the high. It came at around 98, sorry, 95,800, 900 somewhere. It made a high of 96,000 and then it came down. And this is approximately 1 lakh rupees ka share. We are not really worried about it. Let it go anywhere. Hind Copper is there. Amar Raja Battery, from the initial days it has given an awesome rise. Apollo Tire is 301 rupees 60 paisa now. Jindal Steel did not move. I am looking at Jindal Steel, though it is not visible here, but I am looking at the other screen. It is still the same. It is 493 rupees 80 paisa, and it made a high of 496 rupees 80 paisa. Results are awaited, and this is again a result stock. Amar Raja Battery is the rock performer. Britannia has given us an amazing rise in intraday. Davis Lab has fallen approximately now more than 100 rupees. Marico given us only 2-3 rupees, but it may fall further depending upon if it sustains. If it retains 500 level, right, then it will not fall. Then it will not fall. If it retains 500 levels, then it may not fall. And the ultimate target for Marico is approximately 600-650 levels. That's what I have predicted for the investment purpose. So overall Marico is strong. TVS Motor came in the scanner. That chart we have already discussed. It is strong. So we need to understand which stock is strong, which stock is not. But yes, since we are using a scanner, so we should be profitable with the help of scanner, and that's what we are trying to figure out. And since this is the end of the session, again you can take a screenshot. You can pause this video, write down the stock names, write down the stock prices, the time, go to the chart, check one by one what accuracy you are able to see, what accuracy you feel that this scanner has, and so on. And this is the sell side scanner. SRF is there. I am keeping an eye on SRF. SRF should fall further. That's what my prediction is. That's what my conviction is. SRF, even I am waiting for this put option to enter in SRF, because according to me SRF should fall. It should fall until 2250 levels. That's the bare minimum which I can think of. Okay, we will see what happens, but SRF should fall further. Bank of Baroda is strong, GAIL is strong, TVS Motor is strong, and at the same time we have to look at the market. The market has bounced back. Since morning it was lethargic, but now it is showing strength. Let's see how it opens tomorrow. And yeah, SRF seems to be weak according to me. So once again, you can take a screenshot. You can pause the video and write down the trades and go to the charts and check. guys, Muthoot Finance from 1114 1114 rupees to 1122 rupees, and just one more minute to go. Market is closed. 1123 is the closing for Muthoot Finance. So guys, this is it from my end, and I hope you have enjoyed the video, and we will see tomorrow how the market performs. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Happy